up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed.
You want a whole box?
Oh yeah. I'm waiting for the washing machine to come. So I just got a text message that they're 5 minutes away. So this is very exciting and momentous, and I can't wait to have empty washing baskets again. I'm in camp. I don't have a Mount Washmore. We keep on top of it, so I'd really like to get back on top of all the washing. The washing machine arrived. This is very exciting, guys. I guess I'll give you a review of the washing machine when we use it. So this is supposedly a washing machine that is smarter than us. But yeah, so we got the LG, we read the reviews. We didn't overthink it because we need to do washing, and it has intelligent fabric care. And yeah, so supposedly, because we have all become this. This is a photo of me and Ben, and it will it'll ping our phones when the washing load is done. So there you go. And the top of it is like a bullet journal. So you'd write your hopes and dreams on that. Happy birthday. You having fun installing a washing machine? So we don't know how to use this yet. I attempted to read the manual for like 2 pages. Or it's just too much blah blah blah. But we'll work it out eventually, and then we'll be washing masters.
I gotta level it. I need my spirit level.
Spirit fingers? Maybe this is today's edition of exciting. It says essential works in progress. And we had no idea about this. So, oh, it's to do with the trees. It's the trees.